TGIF, and welcome to the new look Beamish Blogcast. It is July 18th, 2014, full steam ahead into the weekend, perhaps hitting the road, heading to Rocky Point. Boy, what a beautiful weekend down there on the shores of the Gulf of California. 80s for daytime highs. Some of that cloud cover tomorrow morning will begin to break up. More sunshine second half of the weekend. 90 Sunday afternoon after starting off Sunday morning in the low 80s. Back here to southern Arizona, high pressure sitting over the Grand Canyon state, and this is acting as a thunderstorm suppressor on two fronts. Number one, high pressure, what it does, it causes sinking air, and that sinking air doesn't allow clouds to really build up and get those storms going. What high pressure is also going to do is bring back a big-time heat wave as we're heading into next week. More on that in just a bit. Futurecast today, pegging the best chance of isolated storms into the higher elevations, mainly White Mountains, and perhaps some of the mountains along the international border. Tomorrow, isolated storms, higher elevations, and what to watch along the international border to see maybe if a few storms pop up there. Most of the valley floors dry next 48 hours, and then isolated storms returning by Sunday afternoon. But notice the placement here with our RPM model. Looks like mainly into the mountains yet again, but that high pressure area over western New Mexico at least opens up the pipeline for some of that monsoon moisture to stream up in from Sonora. Again, the bigger story, though, is going to be the looming heat wave, and we are going to be threatening record highs next week. Record high next Wednesday, 109. Same for next Thursday. Uncomfortable, to say the least, as we're heading into the middle of next week. Your News 4 Tucson extended forecast. Keeping us dry today and tomorrow, upper 90s and around 100 degrees. Isolated storms back Sunday into next week, but again, most of these are going to be into the mountaintops. When you get 108 to 109 for daytime highs, really your thunderstorm chances aren't all that great to begin with, but certainly we'll be keeping our eyes on the record books and the thermometer. Some of the hottest temperatures we've seen this year in the cards for both Wednesday and Thursday. You've been warned. Have a great weekend. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.